Hi, welcome to another segment of Kathy Brooke and Community. I am in Washington Township here with Chef Sal at the Sapori Italian Restaurant right at Mound and 26, right?
Correct.
Great. So nice of you to invite us to your restaurant.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you. So tell us a little bit about your background and your history.
Well, come from Italy, Sicily, and I've been lucky here that I find that these two partners, a cousin, they believe in me, and then we opened it as a little place in beautiful town of Washington Township. And here we are after almost 8 years, March 10 actually is 8 years we've been open. And we keep on doing whatever I learned in Italy. My family is on a grocery store, so everything's gotta be fresh, made daily. And you can see, thank God, thanks to all the folks, they keep on coming here and support us because it's a beautiful community. We're here, we're blessing.
But you had loyalty from your community, which is so wonderful.
We do have a lot of, I keep on saying thanks to them all the time because it's important, you know. And most important to me because they know what I do, keep on and do the right work like my mom teach me, and my and Stella, by quality, and always the best.
Well, I noticed outside you have this beautiful garden. So tell me about your garden.
That I gotta give it to my cousin Frank Palmer, a partner, which is every year he put up beautiful flower. But this year I said, let's do something different. Let's put something like fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, mint. A funny story is just a couple weeks ago, I was outside and some of our clients was eating. All of a sudden she get up and pick up some fresh basil and put it on a salad. I love it. I went to her, said thank you, and said, hey, why don't put some mint? So I grabbed some mint and she put it in a salad. That's the best thing. That's because I grew up that way, where every morning, everything fresh. No pre-cooked meat, no, everything's gotta be fresh like we do here.
You also have this beautiful wine cellar. So tell us about this wine cellar with the personal, private.
It's to the other cousin, Brian. He's the one because it's in front of the house and he's taking care of the wine cellar. We got top wine, people enjoy, and some people, they got the wine lockers where every year they renew for 8 years almost, and we keep on coming, you know.
So you know the community by name. You have regulars that come and.
Pretty much, yes.
So all the pasta's fresh, everything's fresh?
Correct. Bread, we make fresh daily, yes.
What is your favorite thing to make?
Oh my God, besides everything?
That's a good
answer.
answer.
Fish and meat, pasta, of course. Look at me. I got enough in my steak. You know, we use a prime steak, a ribeye or a veal chop, the fillet, all prime meat. That's a fish is gotta be fresh too. You know?
So if somebody is not a carb eater, they can come here and they can have their protein and get their healthy options.
Yes, that's really important to me. My wife, she's allergic, added all preservative. To me, it's really important because when the people come here and they ask for something different, because we make everything through order, we can do that. I got plenty of chefs in the back. They've been with us from day one, and we're blessing, I have to say, because on these days it's tough to find a good help. Yes.
Well, that's great news. So you can cater to anyone with any desire to feed them an Italian meal.
An Italian
meal.
Don't ask me for different, because go to different restaurant. An Italian, yes.
Yeah, come here. Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Sal.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it
Thank you so much.
And please come down to Mound and 26 Mile and check out this amazing restaurant and have a fresh, lovely Italian meal here. Thank you so much. And if you would like to join Kathy Brooke and Community, please don't forget to call me because we'd love to support you too.